As HR professionals, we need to ensure that our skills are up to date. We need to keep abreast of current trends in HR, and most importantly, always seek to be a strategic partner to the business. The illiterate of the 21st century is he who does not learn, relearn, and unlearn. Motivation for me attending this class was to learn more about workforce intelligence and HR analytics. Of course, everything is going agile now, so I look forward to learning more about analytics, and my expectation has not been disappointed. I've been able to deepen my understanding of HR analytics.
I work with M Pharma Nigeria, and I have over 10 years experience working in human resources.
So my name is Ridwan Gwalagade. I work with Allen & Grant consulting firm. I have around 2 years experience in HR so far.
My name is Jumoke. I work with Adosa Microfinance Bank. I've been in the industry for about 5 years now.
My name is Dominic Ofolua. I'm the managing partner at Avid HR Consulting Limited. I have 13 years of business management experience, and specifically HR, I have 7 years.
Being one of the facilitators of the Agile HR Analytics program has been a very wonderful experience. We had a very full class today of various people across various industries who are practitioners in their own right. We're here to be able to take their expertise to the next level.
It's a very interesting course. It opened my eyes a whole lot to how to use data and how to manipulate data, and my general experience in the course has been very wonderful.
I had a background in engineering from time before I moved to HR, so it's been like I've always dealt with numbers. So seeing the HR analytics class is more like a practical application of numbers to make more informed people decisions. And then being here, it's like, yeah, you've always seen these numbers, but then how do people really use it to make a business impact around different HR initiatives? And that is what I got to learn today from the Power BI thing. And I hope to kind of take it further by really applying it to client work where I work. Majorly, we have different clients we work with, and when you work with client briefs, you want to be able to tell their management team that this is what is wrong with you, this is the situation. But you can't just say that with just papers or something. You have to be able to convince them with the numbers. So here I want to take that knowledge and say, yes, for example, we are working on a performance management project. I just don't want to drop the KPIs and all that for them. So I want to be able to say that, yes, these are the KPI frameworks. What you were having before, you were gaining this, but if you implement this, you can easily gain this. But then you show that with numbers, you show their performance, what they've done in the past year, how it's going to kind of affect their subsequent years. So you're making insights and then be able to create foresight for what is to happen.
I'm really glad I came because over time we just collect data. We don't even really make sense of the data. And what we report, I feel is not substantial. But coming to this class, I've learned how to manipulate data more. I've learned how to use storytelling to connect data, to present information to management on different aspects of HR, recruitment, performance management, learning and development, engagement, and then just connecting that story from recruitment through to exit. Something that we really almost neglect every time. So it's really been great. I mean, I don't know how to use Excel. If you talk about my Excel skill on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably maybe a 3 or a 4. So the first day we started class, I was struggling a bit, but the facilitator was really great at going back over and over and then just showing us step by step what to do with the dashboard, how to build the dashboard, and how to use Power BI. So for me, I'm very excited because once I practice over time, I'm going to be able to infuse data analytics into my work activities every day. And I would be able to make informed business decisions and also inform, the business on how people data can impact our bottom line. So it's really been a very wonderful learning experience for me.
I did not realize that I could do all that with data, and I can see the analytics. I can see the way I'm analyzing data, the intelligence behind it. It's just overwhelming. I can't even wait to get back home to practice and practice and practice what I've learned, because it's something every HR professional should know.
Gleaning insights from data and being able to present it in a way that can form business decisions. So this class has been quite helpful in that regard.
It was exciting, challenging, it was interesting. A whole lot of package all in one.
Knowledge has been very insightful. Hardly knew anything about Power BI before I came here. We'll need to do a lot more learning. I mean, it's a 2-day class, so obviously not all the topics have been covered here, but for 2 days it's been very insightful, very impactful, and hopefully we'll learn more.
Businesses today are actually beginning to see the importance of human resource in their organization. More and more they're understanding that people make it happen. And so because of that, they're actually giving HR a seat at the strategic table. With more and more HR practitioners applying Agile HR analytics to their arsenal, they'll become a lot more strategic. So now they'll be able to analyze data across board as it pertains to the people that actually make it happen.
How HR can be more strategic is when you do less and get good results. You use data to analyze results so that you can better your decision making.
I would say that it's not about adopting, it's about becoming part of HR as a whole. So it's not like a thing you have to think about to say, analytics, I'm considering it. If you really want to be top notch, if you really want to be that HR they recognize at that C-suite level, you must implement analytics in whatever you do. Because there is no way you're going to work in HR, you're going to deal with talent acquisition, you have different data points you're going to be seeing. Performance man, you have different data points. So if you don't get to understand your data points, why are you in HR?
What is data telling me today? And what is this data going to tell me for the next 2 years? How can I use this data to forecast? So we have to go past administrators. We have to go past HR business partners. I think we need to come into proper HR analysts. And then we need to become more scientific in our approach. And that's what data will help us do. So there's the human element of it, but there's the element of data would not lie. Forecasting will not lie. Trends will not lie. If you see over time, you can tell where a business is going from financial forecasting. Thank you very much. It's really been wonderful. I'm really super excited that I got this opportunity with Utiva, and it's really great. It's really great.